Good afternoon for everyone. My name is Jean Carlos. I am 18 years old. I am studying engineer on telecommunication at Ucompensar University. Right now, I am working as a mechanic in a motorcycle workshop. I like that I am working at because it fits with my study uh, chart. I I usually buy a pair of shoes every 6 months. I think that I rarely buy shoes, and in the other hand, I have never bought video games. The same thing with music and makeup. I usually don't buy books very often. I buy like 2 books per years year. I don't buy that kind of stuff because I don't like it or I just don't have the net of buy it. Be example to music. I don't listen to music um, very often, so I don't need to buy it. As arts, I don't play video games and I don't wear makeup, so I never buy just things. With the coffee is another and story. I buy coffee every morning before I start working and also during. I drink a lot of coffee during the day.